I stood begging for oxygen at the hospital door, where hardly any bed was even available. All I could see was my mother crying helplessly, and I was panting for breath as my lungs tried to stretch out to its fullest potential. I was standing on the demarcation line of being alive and death, when all I could witness was the unavailability of healthcare in our nation, which kept floating in front of my eyes. Despite of the large promises during the election, did you spend enough to update our healthcare? The answer is not. You are busy in building various infrastructure all around the nation. You are busy building various religious places. But today, when your people are dying, do you have any answers to provide? It's actually not the oxygen, but the inefficient governance which could have snatched my life, which could have snatched a son from the bosom of a mother. We kept on running from hospital to hospitals, but did not find any bed to rest my head and put in an oxygen pipe. At last I was given a place inside a doctor's chamber, where the doctor himself arranged for the oxygen. Today I am safe and sound just because of the doctor who posted a risk at his own life, but arranged a place for the dying me in his chamber. On the view of this pandemic situation, we look around to see various people condemning the doctor, saying that their dear ones died due to their inefficiency of work. Their helplessness justifies their outbreak, as they feel nothing, but the world seems blank to them at losing their closed ones. But we need to understand that those doctors are not to be blamed, because they are constantly giving up their everything for the sake of us. They have not been with their families since months, but still haven't complained, because they, as frontline warriors, have given their all to us and have sacrificed all they have had. Indeed, it's not the doctors who should be condemned, but the healthcare infrastructure which has been collapsed is to be blamed. The government is spending crores of money to various other things, but when it is coming to healthcare, the report card is in front of us. It is the government which is to be blamed for the current situation, for they have not properly updated the healthcare since long. For all the reasons you have been put into distress, for all the hardships you have to undergo, remember, we have the power to vote. We have the power to elect. We have the power to choose. We have the power to bring the change in the nation. We have the power to point out at the inefficient governance. We are the thread to bring positivity. We can change. We will change.